Good day, guys. Today we are going to be talking about subsets and supersets under set theory. Guys, whenever you hear the word subset, subset simply means when all the elements in a given set are present in another set. That is when all the members of a particular set can be found in another set. We are going to say that that set is a subset of the word of the other set. Subset is denoted by this sign, by this symbol. Now, the next one is superset. What do you mean by superset? Superset simply means when a set consists of more elements than the other set. When a set consists of more elements than another set. That is, when a particular set has more members than the other set. We are going to say that that set is what? It is superset of the other set. So it is denoted by what? By this sign. Guys, let's look at an example. Let's say set A equals 1, 2, A, B, and set B equals 1, 2, 3, A, B, C. So solution. Guys, we are going to say that the members in set A are what? 1, 2, A, B. The members in set B are what? 1, 2, 3, A, B, C. Guys, we are going to see that number 1, A is a subset of B. That is to say, A is a subset of B. So, guys, why is A subset of B? The reason why A is a subset of B is because all the elements of A are found in what? B. All the elements of A are present in B. Why also, guys? We can say that B is a superset. Superset of A. That is to say, B. So, guys, why is B a superset of A? The reason why B is a superset of A is because B contains more elements which are not in what? A. B contains more elements than A. That is why B is a what? Superset of A. So, guys, the next one we are going to move on to now is proper subsets. Proper subsets. Guys, we're talking about proper subsets. Two conditions must hold. The first condition is that, let's say we want to talk about the proper subset of set A and B. Now, the first condition is that for set A to be a proper subset of set B, the first thing is that set A must be subset of B. That's the first thing. While the second thing is that set B must be superset of A. Do you get that? This simply means that for a set A to be a proper subset of set B, the first thing is that that set A must be subset of B, of set B. Why also that set B must be superset of what? Set A. Do you get that? So that is that about that. Now, guys, let me tell you something. Whenever you are talking about proper subsets, if only one condition holds and the other condition does not hold, that simply means that that set is not a what? Proper subset. So for a particular set to be a proper subset of sets of another set, two conditions must hold. The two conditions must be what? Must hold. Now let's look at an example. Let's say A is equal to ABC and B is equal to ABCD. The question is set A proper subset of set B? Justify your answer. The answer is yes. Yes, set A is a proper subset of set B because two conditions hold. Now, what is the first condition, guys? Now, the question is set A proper subset of set B. If you look at set A, you see that all the elements in set A are what? A, B, C. Why all the elements in set B are what? A, B, C, D. So you will now see that all the elements in set A are found in set B. So the first reason is because set A is a subset of set B. While the other condition is that set B contains more elements than set A. Set B is a superset of set A. That is to say, it contains more elements than set A. So the two conditions must hold. If one condition hold and the other condition does not hold, then that is not a proper subset. So for proper subset, two conditions must hold. The first condition is that if I'm talking about the proper subset of set A and B, firstly, set A must be subset of B, while secondly, set B must contain more elements than what? Set A. Guys, let's say our set A is equals to, let's say set A equals 2, 4. Set B equals 4, 2. Guys, let me ask you a question. Is set A proper subset of set B? No. Set A is not the proper subset of set B, because although set A is a subset of set B, but set B is not a superset of what? Set A. So before set A will be a subset of set B, before set A will be a proper subset of set B, firstly, set A must be subset of B. Secondly, set B must contain more elements than what? Than set A. Do you get that now? Now, guys, let us move on to how to list the members of a subset. Guys, we want to look at how to list the subset of a given set. Before we talk about this, you have to know some important facts. The first fact is that firstly, know the number of subsets the given set can have by using the formula 2 raised to power n, where n means the cardinality. You will firstly know that this particular given set, how many subsets can it have? And how are you going to know the number of subsets that a particular set can have? It is by the using of this formula 2 raised to power n, where n means what? Cardinality. The second thing is that know that the first subset of all given sets of a given set is what? Empty set. You have to know this, that no matter the set given to you, its first subset will be what? An empty set. The third thing you have to note is that all set is a subset of itself, but not the proper subset. You also have to know that all given sets is a subset of itself, but not a proper subset. Guys, let's look at this example. How many subsets can set A equals A, B as? List them. You just say solution. Now, whenever you want to know the number of subsets that a particular set can have, you have to use the formula use 2 raised to power n to know the number of subsets. Guys, what does n mean? That is what cardinality. Then what does cardinality mean? It simply means the number of members in that set. Guys, how many members do we have in this set? 2. So this simply means that n is equals to 2. Therefore, 2 raised to power n is equals to 2 raised to power 2. And that's equals to what? 4 subsets. So guys, this simply means that this set A equals to A, B has how many subsets? 4. Therefore, list them. Now, whenever you want to list the subset of a given set, the first thing you should write is what? Empty set. The number 1 is what? Empty set. The next thing you are going to do is that you are going to put each element in a different curly bracket. So number 2, the first element is A, put inside the bracket. Number 3, the next element is B, put inside the bracket. And once you are done with that, you will now be pairing 2 elements together. So we have A and B, then number 4. That is what? A, B. So guys, once you pair A, B, you must not pair B, A. Do you get that? So guys, let's look at example 2. Solution. Now, firstly, use 2 raised to power n to know the number of subsets. Now, n is equals to, what is n here? N simply means cardinality. That is to say the number of members. How many members do we have here? We have 3 members. So n is equals to 3. Therefore, 2 raised to power n is equals to 2 raised to power 3 and is equals to what? 8 subsets. So guys, what does it mean? This simply means that this set B equals A, B, C has how many subsets? 8 subsets. Now guys, let us list out these 8 subsets. The first one, do not forget that the first subset of all given sets must be what? An empty set. So an empty set. Number 2, you are going to be placing each element. You are going to put them inside what? Inside the curly bracket. The first element here is A. A. You will also put B. you will also put C. Guys, do not forget that. How many are we going? We are going to 8 subsets. So we have written out 4. It remains how many? 4. Now, once you are done putting each element inside the curly bracket, the next one is that you are going to be pairing two elements together. Number 5. You will firstly pair A comma B. A comma B. You will secondly pair A comma C. Now, once you are done pairing A, B, A, C, the next thing you are going to pair is what? B comma C. So guys, do not forget that once you pair A, B, you must not pair B, A. Once you pair A, C, you must not pair C, A. And once you pair B, C, you must not pair what? C, B. Do not forget that we are going to 8 subsets. We have successfully paired 7. It remains what? 1. That simply means that once you are done with 2, you will not pair what? 3 elements together. And the final one is what? A, B, C. So guys, once you pair A, B, C, you must not pair A, C, B or B, A, C or C, A, B again because they are still the same set. So guys, these are all the 8 subsets that this set B can ask. The last example, guys, example 3. How many subsets can set C equals A comma B comma C comma D as? List them. Solution. Solution. Guys, do not forget that whenever we are looking for the number of subsets that a particular set can ask, we have to use the formula use 2 raised to power n. N is equals to 4. How do we know that n is equals to 4? Because we have 4 members there. So this means that the number of members here is what? 4. So the cardinality is what? 4. Therefore, 2 raised to power n is equals to 2 raised to power 4. And that's equals to what? 16 subsets. So guys, this simply means that this set C is equals to A, B, C, D can have how many subsets? 16 subsets. So we have to list out the 16 subsets. Guys, let's do this together. Now, number 1. Guys, let me ask you a question. The first subset of all given sets is what? Empty sets. So empty sets. Number 2. Guys, after empty, the next thing you are going to be pairing is what? One element, each element. So we will also pair element A, 3, B, 4, C, 5, D. So guys, do not forget that we are done with pairing each element, single element. Now, don't forget that we are going to 60 subsets, and we have successfully paired 5, which means how many? 11, right? Now, once we are done pairing each element, we will now start pairing double elements. Now, number 6. We are going to pair A comma B. Number 7. We are going to pair A comma C. Number 8. We are going to pair A comma D. So do not forget that once you pair A comma B, you must not pair B comma A again because they are the same set. Repetition is not allowed in set theory. So you are done with what? A, right? Now let us pair number 9. We are going to pair B comma C. Number 10. We are going to pair B comma D. So once you are done pairing B, are you there? So once you pair B comma C, you must not pair C, B again. Do you get that? So the next one is that we are going to pair C and D. Number 11. We are going to pair C comma D. Then you are going to see that we are done pairing two elements. And don't forget that we are going to 60 subsets. And we have successfully written 11 subsets. Guys, it remains how many? It remains 5. Now let's go. Number 12. So once we are done pairing two elements, we are going to start pairing three elements. Now, let's start with A, B, C. A, comma, B, comma, C. Number 13, we also do A, C, D. A, comma, C, comma, D. Do not forget that once you pair A, B, C, you must not pair A, C, B. And you must not pair C, A, B again because they are the same set. So we are done with A, B, C. Now let us pair number 14. Let us do B, C, D. B, C, D. So guys, let's check this out. Which one remains for three that we've not paired? We've done ABC, we've done ABC, we've done ACD, we've done ACD. Guys, it remains something. Look at this very well. Have we done ABD? No, we've not done ABD. Then number 15. ABD. So you're going to see that out of everything we have paired here, we not repeat the same thing. Do you get that? So we are done with three elements. It remains what? 4, 4. It remains 4, 4. Then number 16. A, B, C, D. So these are the what 16 subsets that we can have for this set C. So guys, let me give you an assignment, a take-home assignment. Assignment: how many subsets can set A equals 1, 2 x, y, z as? List them. So we are going to stop here for today. So in our next tutorial video, we are going to be moving on to Venn diagrams. So guys, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video to your friends and family. Thank you for watching, guys.